Good morning. Today we're going to talk about letters, in particular vowels. A vowel is the A, E, I, O, and U that I've marked in red. And then sometimes Y will act as a vowel, but we're going to use it as a consonant today if it comes up. Vowels are the letters that commonly change their sounds in words. They're going to most often change their sounds than the other letters that only sometimes change their sounds. English is a tricky language. So A, E, I, O, U, they're our vowels. We're going to talk about the short vowel sounds. So on the column for A, we've got k, a, t. The C makes a k, the A makes a a, and the T makes a t. K, a, t. And together it makes the word cat, like in the picture. B, a, g. B, a, g. Bag. B, a, g. R, a, T, R, A, T, rat. F, A, N, F, A, N, fan. Do this next line with me. This is the E line. The E is going to make an E sound in these words. B, E, D, B, E, D, bed. H, E, N, H, E, N, hen. The G is going to make a J sound in this word instead of the G sound a G normally makes. So G, E, M, J, E, M. N, E, S, T. This is a longer word. N, E, nest, like a bird's nest. And the I line, so the I is going to make an E sound. W, I, G, W, E, G. L, I, P, L, E, P. Z or Z, I, P, Z, E, P. D, R, I, P, D, R, E, P. Drip. See how these are rhyming words? Lip, zip, and drip. 3 words that end with the ip sound. So they end with the same sound that makes them rhyming words. Lip, zip, drip. This is the O line. So the short vowel sound for an O is O. B, O, X. Box. D, O, C, K. So the CK is going to make a K sound together. D, O, K. Dock. F, O, X. This is one of Ava's sight words. Ox, fox. L-O-G, L-O-G, log. U makes a sound, so R-U-G, R-A-G, rug. B-U-S, B-A-S, bus. D-R-U-M, D-R-M, drum. N-U-T, N-A-T, nut. You did very well. Are there any other rhyming words on this page? Let's see. C-A-T, cat. R-A-T, rat. Cat, rat. They both end with the at sound. That makes them rhyming words. Let's have a look. We pointed out lip, zip, and drip. Ooh, fox, box. They both end with O-X. Box, fox. They're rhyming words. I think that's all I can find. So we have learned a little bit about rhyming words. Box, fox, lip, zip, cat, rat. Words that end with the same sounds are rhyming words. And our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Ava sings A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. That's a good way to remember the vowels too. That's it for today. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.